This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch the Play Store and download the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. Here it is. And once the app was successfully downloaded and installed, simply launch it. Make sure that its timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value. And as long as you do not close the Caffeine app accidentally or on purpose, and it stays somewhat active in the background or within the list of recent apps, your screen will not automatically turn itself off or will not automatically go to sleep at all. Just make sure that the app is active. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.